Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my training. So today you all will have nearly 4 hours training. So we are going to do 2 modules, which is computational thinking and also M-board robot programming. Okay. So before I start, let's do some ice breaking for about maybe 30 minutes. So I just want to know, let's introduce ourselves. So my name is Nazrul Anwar Nayan, and currently I'm the lecturer at the University of Bahasa Malaysia, and also I'm a certified trainer for AI, robotic drones, and so on. So we have done this for almost 7 years. So today it's your turn to receive this training. So let's start by introducing yourself. Maybe you can stand up. There's a lady from on the right side of me. Please, what is your name?
My name is Zarko. My name is Emilia Mikhail. So I'm a UCAT student.
Okay. Have you attended any trainings before on computational thinking?
No, this is my first time.
Good. So what do you expect to know from this training?
My expectation, I hope that at the end of this training, I will be gaining some new things, learning about AI, learning about computational language, or anything that I can gain as an additional input from zero knowledge to something.
Good. So tell me brief about yourself. So what is your favorite food? Yeah, your favorite food, and then your favorite book or favorite movie, and also maybe what is your future goal? What do you want to be in future?
Okay, so
Then you, as a second participant, have to remember all her data, because you will be telling me exactly what she's telling you. Okay? What she's telling us. Okay, please.
Okay, so first is favorite food. My favorite food is chop.
M-chop.
Yes.
Nice.
Okay. And second is my favorite book. My favorite book is philosophy.
Philosophy.
Yes.
Any specific title?
No, I just like to read any kind
Of philosophy. Wow.
In general.
General. Okay.
Yeah. So, and the third one is favorite movie.
Of what do you want to be in future? What is your dream to be in future?
My dream, as frank as it is, I want to be a lecturer.
Okay, good.
In university, but yeah. So I hope I am aspiring. So one day I can.
Very good. So your name is Ilmi. So we'll call you Ilmi throughout this training session.
Yes.
Okay? Good. So sit down. Okay, let's go to our second trainees for today. So tell us your name, your favorite food, or your favorite movie or book, and also your goal in future.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arifa from Azlan.
What is your favorite food first? Maybe what you had for your lunch today just now. Is that your favorite food?
Sometimes I
Okay.
eat it.
Okay, what do you like?
I don't think I have a specific
Okay.
that I like, but I eat anything, and depends on my mood.
Just give one, because she's going to answer that.
So for one,
Yeah.
okay, maybe just
You can.
just simple fried rice.
Fried rice. Okay, good. Okay, good. So your favorite,
Easy for you to remember.
or favorite movie or favorite book? Yeah.
Oh, this one also.
Or favorite song or whatever? Yeah.
Maybe favorite food lah. Because
Favorite food,
you,
okay. Yeah.
There was philosophy, right? So maybe
What
just
genre?
yeah, genre.
Yeah.
Okay.
Genre, yeah. Maybe comic book.
Comic books. Okay, right, good. And what is your goal in future? What do you want to be after you finish your study?
After finish, okay, maybe
No worries, yeah, take it. So assume all of you have done your first degree, right? So now you're actually entering into either job market and so on. So what do you want to be after this? I mean, so that your work, what do you want to be? What do you want to do as your work, as your career?
maybe just finding a job that related to my study.
Which is engineering?
Yeah, engineering.
Okay, good, well done. Okay, good. Sit down. So now I'll go back to you, Ilmi. Tell me about her, one by one. Just stand up. Okay. This is ice-breaking session, so we have to have all people here to know each other, so that it's easy for us to communicate, to have this engagement and so on. Yes, Ilmi?
So her name is Arifa,
Okay.
and her favorite food is fried rice.
Fried rice, okay.
Yes, and her favorite genre of reading maybe comic book.
Okay.
And she's aspiring to be engineering.
Okay. Engineer. Okay, good.
Yeah.
And how about you? What is her?
Okay,
Tell me about her.
Her name is
Wow! You got all full name, yeah? Very good, that's nice, okay.
Okay, I call her Ilmi.
Ilmi.
Her favorite food is lamb chop.
Lamb chop, okay.
Okay. And then favorite book, something related to like philosophy. Right? Philosophy. And then
Okay.
she wants to be a lecturer.
Okay, alright. So I would like to sit down. So I would like to tell you about my favorite food as well. I love mutton biryani very much. Lamb biryani, yeah. But not the Indian. It's more like Pakistani kind of. So we have Indian, we have Pakistani, we have Malaysian as well already. But I love the Pakistani lamb biryani. And my favorite book, maybe you can write it down there. The Color of Water. The Color of Water is the title. And then in future, I would love to be a great trainer. I would like to train a lot of people using all my knowledge here. Okay, good. So let's start with computational thinking. So the word computational thinking itself, it shows that you have to do some kind like a calculation, right? Compute. Compute means calculation, right, Anima? So if I say computational thinking, what do you think computational thinking? Just roughly, in general, what do you think computational thinking is?
Think competition.
Think computationally. Okay, that makes sense. How about you, Yuli?
I think
Yeah.
something that will produce result fast.
Okay, to produce result fast
Yeah.
is maybe a way of to get the result fast.
and exact.
Okay, and why do you need to do that process? Because you want to
Critical thinking.
critical thinking. Yes, yes. And then the question is, why do you want to do all this computational thinking, critical thinking? To what? To do what? That's one term that all engineers need to work on. We need to build. Why do you want to build? Because you want to start from S. Solve what? Problems. That's it. So all these thinkings, critical thinkings, all this need to be embedded into yourself because you want to solve things. This is part of problem-solving method. So before I start, let's just give. We still continue with the ice breaking here. So in this course, in this module, module number 1, which is to introduce the concept of computational thinking, the concept of computational thinking, I'll give you a situation to break the ice even more. Let's see this. Okay, you see this, right? Flat tire. How about you? Have you ever experienced this, Adima? Flat tire when you were driving?
So far, not yet.
Not yet. How about when you were with your family or before this? Never.
Yeah, before.
Never. Good.
Maybe I'm not in that situation.
Not in the situation. Maybe you were not in the car. Maybe they had, but you're not there. How about you, Elmi? You have that.
Yes.
You were driving, and it's flat tire.
Yes.
But you still can run, or you have to stop?
No, so
Why?
because I need to change it.
Really? Because sometimes, if it is flat, the tire is not 100% flat. You can still have about 50-45% left, and then you can still go until
for a
the
short
nearest short distance. But your case, totally flat.
Yeah. So like side of the road, and then I just I call my friend and I ask how, and I just do it all by myself.
Good. I haven't asked you the process, but you have answered me. So in this situation, Elmi, what do you do? What do you do? Oops, flat tire. You have to go. Okay, number 1, 2, 3. Just give me a few.
Okay. First, make sure drive on the side of the road.
Okay.
And then park your car, and then make sure pull out the what do you call that? The segitiga.
Okay.
And then
The triangle.
triangle.
The
so that
refracted,
people,
the refracted
so that
triangle.
people can see you're there.
Good.
So and
So
then
you know what? Some people they put leaves or some branch to make people aware that there is some car stop,
no,
right?
that's not good.
That's not good, right?
Yeah.
Very hard to see. Yeah.
Okay. So and then just proceed what you have to do. So just
Okay, number
be
1.
calm. Firstly,
Be
be
calm.
calm, and
Good.
then just do take out the equipment.
Equipment.
And then the spare tire.
Good.
You put it on the side, and then you start to lifting up. the
Lift
car.
up, okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then, yeah.
You are an experienced.
I learned from my friend.
Oh, you learned from a friend.
Yeah,
Okay.
so-
Your friend came together
No,
during
I
that
did
time.
it myself.
Oh, you did it yourself, but you
Yeah.
called him or
Yeah.
her to ask you
Yeah,
to tell
because
you.
I've already first-hand watched him do it.
I
in front of me. And then I
see.
just like, I remember, I kind of remember, but then I still call him to make sure if I'm doing the right thing or not.
Nice. Okay.
So,
What's next? So you lift it up, and then
yeah, and then I start
to open all the
open all
nuts.
the nuts,
Okay.
yeah, and then we
Take it
drag
out.
out the tire and then put the spare tire.
Spare tire,
And then
okay.
also put the nuts on
Yeah.
that, and then I put down the.
That's almost perfect. Do you understand how to do that?
Yeah, inshallah.
Okay, inshallah. Let's say if this thing happened again, can you do that?
Yeah.
Good. Okay? Because why I ask this question, you'll be related to computational thinking later. I will tell you that. Huh? I'll tell you. Okay, we have a second situation. Anyway, this is your room, I know. This is how you manage your room. Very clean, well, and so on. Right, anyone?
Yeah, okay.
Clean, right? Okay. One day, your mother came to your room and said, Allahu Akbar, mashallah. Adiba, what happened to your room? And then she said, clean the room. Is it a problem for you now? Because we are trying to solve the problem. Is it a problem now? Clean the room, she said. The command, yeah. Now, it become a problem, right? You need to do something because the deadline is coming. Today is your deadline to submit your report and so on. But she said, it's a problem. It's a problem, right?
Yeah, problem.
Big problem or small problem? She said, now, by 1 o'clock, by 1 hour, you need to complete all this. You need to clean it up.
Oh.
You are sitting there doing your codings.
Okay, big problem.
Big problem. So, how if your mother came to because your mother has attended this training, and then she said, okay, Niva, first, take out all the dirty clothes and bring it to the washing machine. Secondly, take out all the shoes and put it outside of the door, or outside of the room. Number 3, all the bags, put it on top of the cupboard. Okay, right, on top of the cupboard. And then number 5, take out all the rubbish and put into the dustbin. And number 6, clean the floor, clean the floor, yeah? sweep it. And then after that, put all your books into the bookshelf and change the bed sheet. You put numbers, number 10, number 11, and then finally you just put some fragrance into your room. So which one is better? Number 1 is, Adiba, clean your room. And number 2, Adiba, number 1, take this one. Number 2, number 3, which one is better?
And the second one.
The second one. Exactly. Because she has attended computational thinking, that's why she made the different command after that. So why I ask this question? Because it brings to our, because of this you have a math question. Okay? This is the learning outcomes for your course today. By the end of this module, computational thinking, you will understand the core concept of computational thinking. There are concepts that you need to understand. And then you are going to apply this concept to solve all those problems just now. The problem number 1, this one, flat tire. In computational thinking, still in the ice breaking, because I haven't gone back, I'll just go with the introduction only. Introduction plus ice breaking. The first one is decomposition. Decomposition means break down all the complex problems just now into smaller parts. That's the key in computational thinking. So when you see flat tire, relax and break it out into small problems. Which is number 1, where is my tools? Number 2, where is the spare tire? Number 3, who should I contact? Break it into small tasks. Understand? Like yourself, clean, take it out, all those things. Break it down first. Whatever you hit, relax and break it down first. Decomposition, they call it. Okay, decomposition. Once you have done the decomposition, okay, here, for example, like these things here. You know that number 1, just now you pull out the car to the side, okay, put on the side, and then see if there is any dangerous things there, maybe like a tree and so on. If it's safe, then you stop there. So you put all this into smaller parts, and then try to solve all that smaller parts first. Try to solve all the smaller parts first. Once you solve all the smaller parts, you can solve all the big things now, right? So this is the key number 1 in decomposition. Right. So then that's number 1. Yeah? For example, that's number. I'll give you one more situation to break the ice. Adima, do you like to cook?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. What is your favorite dish? What is the favorite cuisine or favorite meals that you can cook and you love to cook?
Yes. Fried egg.
Fried eggs is too easy. Maybe you can be a little bit more difficult.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fried rice easy.
Fried rice easy, okay. When someone asks you, Adiba, you have to cook fried rice for me. Is it a small problem now? Because you have to think, right? To solve that problem, right? So what do you do? By applying the computational thinking just now. Just get some rough idea before we go further. This is still the icebreaker to know yours. Yeah.
I will ask to cook.
Yes.
So
Fried rice. Now, in 15 minutes.
Okay. My plan is I need to prepare the
Ingredients.
Yeah,
Ingredients. Okay, good.
Yes.
Okay. After that.
And then yeah. And then
Just study. Just open the YouTube. Okay. do you know, have you done a fried rice before? Have you cooked before? Yes, right? So if you have cooked before, maybe you can just recall back all those process, right? So when you have recalled it, then you understand, then you remember what you do next. What is number one? To put what? To put the nasi first on the pot? Or you put nasi first? And then what do you put?
And then
Oh, without oil? No oil? Just put nasi on that? How do you cook? Yes. Tell me. How do you cook? I don't know how to cook fried rice. So tell me. Yes.
I cook
Number one,
oil.
put oil. Number two,
And then
the rice. Heat it up first. Maybe.
Yeah.
Heat it up. Put the fire first. Okay. Then
I add all the
yeah, paste.
Yeah.
The paste for the nasi goreng. Okay, fried rice. Okay.
and then just put everything.
Put everything, and then you finish, and then you throw it away. You cannot eat anymore, right? Yeah.
The chili and all.
Okay, after nasi or before the rice or after the rice? Normally. After the rice. Oh, you put the rice first and then put chili after that. Okay, there are several ways to do that. Yeah. Okay, and then after that, what's the last thing you put inside? The last but not least. Yes. No last thing altogether. Okay, that's it. If I say to you, Adiba, you put all the rice, everything, the vegetable, and then finally you put the oil inside. Is it okay? Finally, put the oil and then you take it out and then you eat. Can or not? Is it can?
Can try, but
Final. The final one, after you finish everything, you put you open the bottle, then you put the one. You know, right? So that's kind of, so what you say just now is the process of what you do. Okay? And then one more thing. Just now, I want to ask you, Amy. When you come here, when she said 2 o'clock, what is your main thing that you think when you come here, when you want to come here? Is it the location, the time, what is the main thing?
The main thing is time.
The main thing is time.
Because I need to manage to actually
Arrive
10 minutes at
That
least.
means early. Okay.
But then I run a little bit 10 minutes late.
No problem.
But because I already on the way,
Good.
walking on 2 o'clock, so another 10 minutes late is when I'm searching for the place.
Searching for the
so,
place. Oh, your main thing is meet to come here on time. How about the car just now? What is your main thing here? That's your main thing. You have some other things, but the main thing is to get what?
To get the tire change.
To get the tire change. Your main objective. And after that, you want to drive back to the place that you plan to go.
Yes.
It's your main thing, right? For example, like you just now, what is your main thing when I ask you cook nasi goreng fried rice? What is your main thing here? The main is to get it? To get it done. Yes, of course. Okay, so back to the concept here. You have breakdown things, right? You break down into small parts. You think about the ingredients, where is the pot, where is the oil. You have to put it all in small problems. You solve one by one, and then you combine together. After that, next is you identify similarities and differences. There are 2 things here. Number one, if the problems you have experienced before, pattern recognition, you come up, you recall back the pattern. Oh, last time, this is similar to last time. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take back the idea, recall back, and use it back for this time. This is what we call identify back the similarities and differences. And sometimes we do this, we put the things together, for example, like odd numbers, 1, even numbers here. So there's differences, right? So we have to identify, we have to see the pattern. Oh, this is odd, this is even numbers. This is red, this is blue. So you have to recognize the pattern. So there are 2 things here. 1, you recognize based on the types, the features, like red here, blue here, odd number here, this is number here, based on number 1 and number 2, this number. Another thing is you come back and recall again. So all of you can answer my question just now because you recall back your previous experience. We call it pattern recognition. First you put it smaller, and then recall back. Next is you have to come up with the idea. Actually, what is the main thing I need to solve now? You say to change and to go to your destination. Yourself is to whatever it is, the main thing is to get it done, and someone eat it and they say, I'm full. So delicious or not delicious, is it the main thing here? No. The main thing is people hungry, they want to eat. Delicious is the secondary. So whatever you do in your codings today, first thing, you break it down into smaller parts. In codings, we have functions. You combine together, become one big codings. And then you recognize, oh, last time I have this kind of algorithm. I'm going to take it back here. Oh, last time I used this if then else. Where was it? Oh, now I'm going to take it back here. Yeah? The next is, you focus what actually this task or this problem I need to solve for. I need to solve for is to make the robot move, for example, and so on. So okay, allow it getting dark, I will put the password again. And finally, I think most of you have answered. Number 1, open the boot, take all the equipment, take out the spare tire, lift it up. So all in sequence, all in steps, proper steps. And then that's why I asked you a question. Can you put the all, open the bottle at the end, put the whole bottle and then you eat it? Can? Not, because the algorithm is organized steps to solve the problem. It must be in steps. So these 4 concepts is we call essentials for computational thinking. Now you understand? Whatever problems you face when you work in a company and so on, you have to think back about this. This is a big problem, but can I separate it? Can I separate it into, or can I break it down into small parts? So I solve this part today, that part tomorrow. Maybe I can assign that part to the other person, and then after that you combine together. So this is number 1. And then recognize, relax, and just recall again. Oh, last time I had this is what I do. Recall again. And then focus on what actually you made. All the smaller things like where to park, all those things, smaller things. The main thing, arrive here on time. Where you park, is it hot or not hot? Is it under the roof or not? It's secondary. You have to focus on what is actually you want, whatever your task is. And then all you have to put in the step-by-step organized things. So any questions?
No.
So we have now about nearly 30 minutes for our breaking ice breaking. So do you understand the concept now?
Yes.
By ice breaking concept. Okay. You want to join Aizam? Maybe Aizam want to share some experience as well. Okay, good. So once you have understand that, so we are going to a little bit slowly. Do you love maths? Do you like maths? So. What is the biggest number in maths? The biggest number? Yeah, infinity. Very good. Very good. Infinity is the biggest number. And good. So today, part of ice breaking plus the concept of computational thinking, I would like you, using your laptop there, using your iPad there, the password is 200423. Yeah. I want you to answer this in 10 seconds or in 30 seconds. 200 plus 199 plus 198 plus 197, 196, plus 3, 2, and 1 is equal to what?
In how many seconds?
15 seconds. So is this a problem?
Yes.
Remember back? Once you have a problem, all you need to do is number 1 to decomposition. But in this case, it's already decomposed. It's already put into when you put it down on papers, that's why when you have a problem, you have to put down on papers. The moment you put down on papers, it's part of the decomposition already. Because you have seen that it's adding small things. Decomposition done. Next is pattern recognition. So you have to recognize what is the pattern here. What is the pattern? What is the pattern here? Can you see any pattern?
Yeah.
What is the pattern?
The number is descending order.
Descending order, okay, that's one. But not really a helpful pattern. It's a good pattern. You can see that, descending order.
Yeah.
What is it? What? Anything else?
The achievement of from to
100 until what? That's also a pattern. And that's not a pattern, that's a problem. That's the problem. The addition of 200 until 1 is the problem. Yeah. So think about the first number and then the last number. What is the total of that? The first number here plus the last number. What is the total of these two? 101. Right? How about this one? This number and then the second last number. What is the number? Hey, let's start again. What is this number? You can have a continuous of 201, right? So that gives you some hint. So can you solve the problem now? What is the answer? No, the total. I mean the total answer here. The total answer is what? Yeah. The first, 201. Second, 201. Break the ice on. Break, come on. Think about it. What do you expect this one and this one? It's going to be what? This one. 197 plus? What is the answer? Do you think all will be the same? Then, come on. You are near that. So now you see the pattern. The pattern has been recognized. 201 when you add up two numbers here. The next question is, how many pairs of 201 will be there? Think about it. Can? Sure. You can do anything as long as the answer is correct. Yeah, this is the decomposition. Yeah? Everything is 201. We call it pattern. Next, you need to see the what? Pattern, decomposition done, pattern, and then the next one is abstraction. What is the most important here? We have a pattern. Next is, in total, how many 201 can you have? What do you think? This is actually an Olympian maths question. Olympiad. The world maths competition question. Yes. Try that one. Because this one is one, consider one pair. One pair. In total, how many pairs? 100 pairs. So, total will be, the answer will be? 100. So, the total of this one will be what? Okay, good. And can you solve it? Okay. 1, everything, the first is 200. The second one is 201. 201. Total how many pairs we have is 100 pairs. Because this is 200, we divide with 2. Because 2 becomes 1 pair, right? We have 100 pairs. Then the answer will be, what is the answer? 20,100. Do you understand? How? Okay. To show that you understand, let's go one by one. One more time here. Okay. I have a pen here. Do you have a paper? Okay, good.
Can she use this one? Because I have my book.
No. Can you borrow the book? Your book? To her? The paper? Your book. Because you have already used this. Yes, you've had a book. Good. Okay, use that book to use this one. Okay, good. Now, Ilmi, answer this. Answer this. What is the answer? Because now you have done the first problem. Coming to the second problem, okay? So you need to see, recall. Better because, okay? Solve this problem in 1 minute. I give some extra time. Hey, what is the answer? Oh, less than a minute. Less than 1 minute.
500,500.
Very good. Okay, let's wait for Adila. Yes! Adila is coming. Yeah, Adiba is coming. Adiba. Don't worry, take your time. How many pairs just now? Because the abstraction now is only 2. 1 actually, but we combine it and they separate into 2. One is what is the total of the first and the last, and number 2, the main thing is how many pairs. There are only 2 main things abstract that you need to know to solve this problem. Once you know that, finish. Okay. So, how many pairs are there? Adiba? How many pairs of 1001 can you see? So what's the pattern? What the pattern is? How many pairs, Aliba, in total? If you combine together in total, we have how many pairs? If it's 1,000, the pairs, how many number of pairs? This is 1 pair. 1 pair, how many pairs?
Yes, it's there.
So it's going to be what? 5? 500. So the total will be, the answer will be, this is 2 things that you need to put in your mind. How many, what is the total, and what is the number of pairs. Only that, the rest is not important. Once you get that, you will know the answer. What is the answer, Alima? Yes. Use your iPad. The rest.
This
500. Not 50. Yeah. Come on, it's easy. If you want to calculate something with a value 0, just add it into this 0, right? Times 5 and then put the 0 there. Right? So, how much? Let's wait for Adiba. No worries. Yeah. First, you make 1001 times 500 first. 1001 times 5 first.
So I need to calculate manually.
Calculate manually. Everyone calculate manually, of course. Because it's easy. Only add 0 at the back. Right? And then after that, you add these two zeros. So what is the answer, Alima? Five. 100,000. 500,000. 500. Very good. Very good. Well done. Okay. Good. So this number is 500,500. Now we go to a little bit difficult, but not anymore because we have done this training just now, right? So use the same concept. Firstly, if you see this big problem, number one, decompose. As I mentioned before, this has been discomposed already. They put into a proper shape or proper form. This is decomposed. Your next is to find the pattern. This question is, what is this n number? It's more like an IQ test, but it's accurate. The number must be accurate. What is this n? To find the pattern, you have to try several methods to find the patterns. Many methods. Some people add these two. Some people minus the top minus bottom, top minus bottom, top minus bottom. Or some people say this one minus this one, so minus this one, and so on. So I have given you three choices. You choose either one. You get it. Choose one of them. I give you the hints. So what do you think? Which one you want to use to get the pattern? Why you say no? Why you say not correct? Why do you say not correct? You have to try here as well. You only try here, right?
Yeah.
Maybe you can try the same here and see, is there anything that related the numbers? You have to try that one first. Yes. You have to try to all. You have to apply to all the same. If it's minus, you have to try all minus. If it's plus, try all plus. Yeah. Try first. No problem. You can use your calculator. I understand. I'm a lecturer. I know. In trainings, it's quite convenient to use iPad because you can write it, you can erase it, and you don't have to bring a lot of papers. So that's why in my training, I use iPads a lot. So for this first module, or we divide into two different modules actually, for you to think as a programmer before we proceed with the coding. To think as a programmer is to think like a computer scientist. Computer scientists, they come up a lot of new products or new, we call it products or apps, things like that, in a very short time. Why? Because they use this concept of computational thinking. So the development, very fast. Apps development, website, software, everything very fast. Because of this computational thinking that they applied. So can you see any pattern there? Do you see any the answers. Who wins this? You're gonna get about, I think I will give you 10 cents from me as a present, as a token. Let me check if I have 10 cents. Oh yeah, wait, let me check. If I have it, I will give it to you. Who gets the answer, you get a small tip from me. Oh yes, I do have it. I give 20 cents present. This is from. Okay, good. So anyone has got the answer for N? As I mentioned just now, those who can give me the first answer will get 20 cents from me. It's a token. It's a very expensive 20 cents. Because it's from me. You realize it? Yes?
Will the answer have 5-digit number also?
I see, maybe, I don't know. Maybe yes or no, I don't know. But you can try. So what's your answer?
My answer is... Okay, 1 second.
Sure. Yes.
My answer is 9,725.
9725. 9725, yeah? Only 4-digit number. Okay, let's see. How about you, Diba? Oh, Diba is still doing it.
Yeah.
Let's wait for Diba. Okay. Try it again. Maybe. Because,
6, 7.
okay, 106767. And you, Adiba, what do you get?
9725.
9725, okay, let's say. Firstly, you minus the top number with the bottom, you get this. Okay, look at here, look at here. Come, look at here. This is explanation. Minus, you get this. Minus, you get this. This one minus this one, you get this. So, what do you think will be here? What do you think is the number here? Based on this pattern.
58246.
5, 8, 2, 4, 6. Do you agree? Why? Why, Adiba? If you agree, then you are nearly there. Because 5 remain the same. 2, 4, 6, 8. The next one is 4, 6, 8, 2. Meaning that 2 goes to the back. 4, 6, 8, 2. Right? 4, 6, 8. 2 go to the back. Here. Next is the 4. The turn to go back. Go back. 6, 8, 2, 4. Next will be whose turn? Go back. 5, 8, 2, 4, 6. Right? So this one plus this one will be
106767.
106767. So this is a token for you from me, 20 cents. Alright, okay? So if you next time if you answer it correctly, you will also get a token from me. Okay, now go to the next page. Go to the next page of your iPad. What you need to do is exactly with this. You have your grid there, right? You have your grid there, right? Okay, your grid must be, for example, like your circle. The radius must be 1 unit. Must be. You cannot change it. Must be according to this one when you draw. For square, 2 units times 2 units. For rectangle, 2 units times 4 units. And for triangle, remember, triangle, you take the center point, this is height is 2 units, and this is also 2 units. What I want you to do is, you have your paper here. The first, for example, your first one here, you put there start. You type the word start. Start, the first word. Yeah? Start, the first, only the first unit, small one. Only the first unit, yes. Start. Okay. Oh, this is too big. It's too big, you can change it. you start. Okay, start. Put it back. Start again. Start. Okay. Anyway, you will have to start. Okay. Then once you have put your start on the first one, you are going to draw these 4 shapes in your page. You don't go down. Only that page. For example, your case, only this page. You don't go down here. Okay, only this page. Try to draw these 4 shapes in your you as well. So make it smaller. It's just too big. Okay, draw that 4 shapes inside. Anywhere in the for iPads. Okay, if you hold it long, it will make round for you. Okay, for example, you go back here. If you put like this, and then you hold for wrong, okay, you make it round. You know how to do that, right? Good. Okay, number 1. Okay, then you color it. Color with any color that you like. Any color that you like. Any color that you like. Or you want to do that first, okay? It can be here, it can be there, it can be there. Yeah, you don't have to be near to another. Okay? This is going to be, you are going to work together after this, both of you. Okay, anyway. Yes. Correct. Nice, very good. Square. Right. And then color it, Color it. You have to color it. Any color that you like. Yes, nice. Good. So each shape different color. Any color that you want. I think better that you use this one, the marker, the highlighter. Yeah, the highlighter is okay. Even the keluar sikit pun tak apa. So you look like a kindergarten student now, coloring session. Okay? Use the highlighter, this one. Coloring. Yes, coloring. Keluar pun tak apa, keluar sikit pun tak apa, doesn't matter. Just nak put colors saja, doesn't matter kalau terkeluar. Yes, okay. Good. Okay, good. We are going to play a role game called Computer and Programmer Game. Computer and Programmer Game. Do not see this. You need to see hers. It's a secret. Where she put it is a secret because you are going to guess. You're going to guess where she put what. Just the highlighter. Use the highlighter. Or use the highlighter. Oh, the bigger one. Take the bigger one. No problem. Don't have to be perfect. As long as we have a color, it's okay. Nice. Last one. Okay, good. Now what I want you, both of you to do is, okay, you put your chair back to back. You're facing there, you're facing there. Put together, near. But don't look at her design. You also don't look at her design. Tarik ni. Keep it to yourself. Jangan tunjuk your rivals. Okay, not your rivals, your enemy. It's much more better. Okay, good. Bring yours as well. So sekarang, who wants to be a programmer first? Who wants to be a programmer? Okay, you'll be a programmer. A programmer, you are going to tell the computer, so Adiba will be a computer, where your shape is and what color is it. So after that, I would like to compare whether it's exactly the same place or not. So for computer, you're going to go to the new sheet here. Put there start. Yes, start. Yes. Okay, good. And then you're going to receive information. But Adiba, as a computer, you are not allowed to ask. Can you repeat that? Apa tak dengar? No. Computer, just listen and go to your brain will go back to your hand, you're going to write. Your mouse will be macam ni Adiba, zip. Never tell, never talk, never say anything. All will be done by the programmer. Yeah? Programmer will say every single details so that those forms, or sorry, those shapes are transferred into her new sheet. Okay? Once you're ready, you can just start now. You can use Malay, no problem. For this exercise, you can use Malay language as well. Yeah? No problem. Free.
Okay.
Please.
So I can start.
Yes, please start now.
So for circle, okay, at the start.
It's a computer, you can say. Just listen and write.
Okay, so we have start, and then 1 unit under the start. Okay, 1 unit under the start. You drew a circle. 2 units. Yeah.
You can speak in Malay, no problem.
Lukis bulantai 4 unit, gunakan 4 unit. 4 kali 4. Okay, bawah start. Okay, and then selang 1 unit sebelah kanan of the circle. So the circle is already 4 units, and then selang 1 unit side, and then draw a triangle. The triangle is also using 4 by 4 units times. Sorry, 2 units times 2. Okay. 2 times 2. Okay. The circle is also 2 times 2. Okay. And then okay. From the triangle, you go 2 units below. Sorry, 1 unit below, and then 1 unit to the right. Okay, 1 unit below, 1 unit to the right. So bucu yang ujung tu, draw a triangle, draw a square. 2 units by 2 units. Okay. And then from the triangle, from the square, 2 units to the left. 2 units to the right. And then draw. And then 2 units atas. Draw a rectangle. Draw a rectangle. 4 units times 2 units. 4 to the left, 2 units ke bawah. 4 to the right, 2 units ke bawah. The color also.
Yes.
Okay. So the color of the shades. Circle will be pink color, and then the triangle will be orange color, and then the square will be dark purple color, and the rectangle is brown color.
You finish?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's do AI to compare. Let's use AI to compare whether it's similar or not. Okay? So, you done?
Yeah.
Okay, good. show it to me because we're going to show it to the video here. That's yours. So let's see the difference or the same thing. Almost the same?
Yeah, the square one is a bit off. Square.
So if you think, oh, sorry, it's going back. It's going back, right? Okay. So what will be the percentage that you give here? The marks?
Me or the
Both of you. Okay, let's say the programmer.
Okay, I think percentage. I think it would be 80%.
80%?
Yes.
Okay. How about you? What do you think? Her command, her instruction. 80%. 80%. Okay. Let me see. Let me see here. Okay. We'll check it there. Yeah, starting also already off, because you have to have straight away. You have a 1 unit there, but this one is okay. Yeah, that one is okay. Maybe 10% there. This one is different. The color is okay, so 10% there. And then that one also wrong. Okay, 10% is shape, but not here. For me, I would give 50%. 50% only. Well done. Good job. So how do you feel this task? Okay, come here. Come here and face the camera because we need to do some assessment. So for this task, from the computer point of view, what do you think, computer? Is it easy to understand the command?
A bit confusing.
Confusing.
Especially the 4x4. But for the circle, yeah. From the beginning, I already confused.
Okay, good. So we call it loss in instruction or loss in the translation.
So
Okay.
I've done the 4x4, then I redo the.
Luckily. So you do it for yourself. Okay. So as a computer, do you feel like a stress because you don't understand the command? A bit of stress because you don't understand. So this is how the computer is feeling because they cannot express it. So they are feeling stressful. What do you want to do? What do you want me to do? Especially now the AI, Gemini or ChatGPT, they feel very stressed because I don't know what you're talking about. What your prompt, I don't understand. So, but I need to do something. So that's why they just give whatever that they think is correct. Like you just know. You think that this 2x2 is correct, then you put 2x2. Otherwise, the command is 4x4. Isn't it?
Yeah.
4x4. So that's the stress that all the computers know. So we as a programmer, we have to really understand what they need. And how about for your programmer? What do you think when you give commands? Do you expect the computer to understand and pandai-pandai lah, judge? So how do you think? What do you think?
I think my command is very bad, and it's really actually hard to prompt very well to get what we want, to get the result that we want. So, yeah, it's a tough thing to do for the computer to understand what we want.
Good. So now, since you have known that, what we're going to do, just now, Adiba has her own design as well. Since Adiba already learned from mistake, so Adiba is going to be the programmer next. You're going to be the programmer. This is your design, right? And you are going to turn to your new page, and you're going to receive the command, no speaking at all, don't speak at all, and then try to go to the new page, and put the start button anywhere, and then back to back again, and then now I want you to feel the same thing. Who is going to be stressful now?
Okay.
Wait. Put the start button there. Okay, good. Are you ready? So once you're ready, you may start. Now, please, programmer on it. Say it.
Okay. Jadi kita cakap bahasa Melayu kan? Boleh?
No problem.
Start dari start tu selang dua kotak ke kanan. Lepas tu buat circle 2 by 2. So ada dua kotak. Okay. Circle itu tadi okay. Lepas tu dah buat circle tu, bawah dia, bawah bulatan tu selang satu kotak, buat square 2 by 3. Okay, lepas tu square 2 by 2, belah kanan dia pula satu kotak selang. Selepas tu buat rectangle, and 4 columns. Okay. Atas rectangle tu selang satu row lagi. Baru buat triangle. Step bujur kiri tu dekat selepas satu kotak rectangle. Maksudnya satu kotak kecil rectangle tu buat ujung kiri untuk bujur triangle. Tapi dia jarak ada antara triangle and rectangle. Sekiranya triangle tu jarak dia dengan circle dua kolom kecil. Kolom tu yang vertikal. So ada jarak sikit. And jarak antara circle dengan square pula satu row yang horizontal. Okay.
I'll give you the color.
Okay, kita colour circle kuning, triangle segi maksimum ni hijau, segi empat tepat rectangle biru, and last one triangle segitiga ni merah. Okay.
Finish? Okay, give it to me. Let's see if it's correct or not. Okay, come. This one first. Take out that one. Okay, so the answer. And this one.
Oh,
What do you think? Exactly the same. Good. But the start. Where is the start? 1, 2. Oh, correct.
Yeah.
100% correct. So well done.
Great.
Good instructions, eh?
Yeah.
Good. So see, it's very difficult. Very difficult. Eh? So actually, I have another. Okay, you go back and use it here. Yours, you write it back. I have another thing, which is this one. So when you do the programming after this, try to think what is the main objective. Do not tell about they're saying it's no. Just give us 2 steps and so on. But here is the best method. There are only abstraction using it, only abstraction. Right, left, up, down, sketch. Only 5 commands. For example, if I do the sketch here, if I sketch here, for example, if I sketch here, I sketch here, I sketch here. I would say now you are at the start button. Right, 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 sketch. Down, left, down, down, sketch. Right, right, down, down, sketch. Down, down, right, sketch. That's only the command to give to the computer. So what you're going to do now is, in the new page, draw 5 sketch. Anyway, only 5 sketch. Sketch means lorikan button. Di mana-mana dalam. Buat start button first. Start button kena ada. Or put the start first, and then lorikan dalam kawasan yang you nampak tu anywhere. Anyway. Five sketch. Good. Anyway. This is error. This is stupid. No. True. Good. And then sketch was 5. Now, one more. Okay. So again, Ilmi will be the programmer, and Anubia will be the computer for the first round. And let's see, if you use this command, which is very abstract, very precise, you can draw the most accurate in a very short time or not. Okay, done? Okay, now back to back now. Don't show to your opponents. Opponent, do not show yours to your opponent. Yes, correct. Put your start first. Write down your start. Okay, and now back to back. Whenever you're ready, you have to start from the start button. Tell your computer you are now on the start button, on the start square here. Okay, tell that first, and then you move. Ready? Go now.
Okay, computer, you are now at the start button. Okay, so from the start box, we go right.
No, go right. Just say right,
Okay,
left, that's all.
from start, right, 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 down, down, sketch. And then right, 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 down, sketch. And down, down, sketch.
You done?
Yes.
Okay, now let's compare. Let's compare. Alright? Okay, put it down here. So the command is simple, so this is the result. Okay, this is the result. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Good. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Good. 1, 2, 1, 2. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, good. 1, 2, 3. What do you think? 100%? Is it 100% correct? Yes, it's 100% correct. With a very fast first try, right? So this is the lesson for you today. To be precise, we call abstract. To be very abstract with your command. Abstract meaning only use fewer commands. Do not say commands that they don't understand. That's why we have to learn the language of Python, language of C, because we want to know this command so that you will understand this command. Right? So this is how it works. Good. Next task. Look at this. This one you don't have to use your iPad. Just look at it here. This is 4 different cities, and between the cities there are roads, and this is the roundabout. The roundabout. The roundabout. Roundabout. Eh? So this is the roundabout. All have to go with this counterclockwise. The roundabout, if you enter the roundabout, have to go counterclockwise to go. Cannot go here. Must be counterclockwise. Using abstraction, what is the most important, and using algorithm, first step, second step, third step, tell me how D is going to be in C. In a very abstract means. Very abstract. By using pattern recognition that you have done before. And also decompose it. How do you say D to C?
The green line doesn't.
The green is just this example.
Okay.
I don't have to use this. This is the example before.
I try.
Sure.
Okay. Can I use the command of first exit, second exit?
No problem. Anything. Just try.
Okay. So
D to C.
from D, you go straight on the roundabout. You take the third exit, and then you go straight. Another roundabout, you take the second exit, and then you go straight. And from another roundabout, you take the second exit, and you go straight. At the last roundabout, you take the second exit, and then you win.
So it's quite long.
Yeah.
For me, it's quite long. Any other way to reduce the number of, or you can just eliminate your explanation, just focus on the most important bit. Yes, it's correct, but you can delete some parts, only take the most important. Take. How about you, Aliba? D to C. Oh, you want to try again? Go ahead. You don't have to say, go straight at the first roundabout, go to exit. No need to say that.
It's too wordy.
Yes, too wordy. Just straight away with the abstraction. As I mentioned just now, right, left, bottom, left, whatever. Very simple. So the computer can understand easily.
Maybe instead of
Yes.
just use numbers,
Yes. For example, like
in number 3,
3,
then in number 2,
2,
and 2, and 2.
2. That's it. D to C, the vector is 3, 2, 2. That's it. Right? This is the easiest way to tell. Understand? Good. So I think that's the end of module introduction. This one is okay. I can just skip this. At the end of the module number 1. Do you like it? Module number 1?
Yes.
So next is we are going to do module number 2, which you are going to use this robot. But before you use the robot, you need to understand the M block. I think for Adiba, no problem because she has done M block before. But in me, maybe you need to learn a bit here. But you're going to be very fast. It will not take so long time. Okay, welcome back to the class. We're now going to go, welcome back to the class. So we are going to do module number 2, which is M block. So first thing, I want you to know that the learning outcomes for this module, by the end of this module, you're going to build a program, a coding, to move the sprite, you change the background, and also then you do some scoring system, and also you're going to develop computer games. So let's start. Open your M block programming from your computer. Search for this icon. M block programming. Yes. And the right side. The right one. Okay, good. Yeah. Can fit now. Can fit. It's only one side. Okay, good. So now, here I want to show you what is this. Have you opened it? Can you open it? Okay. This is the tab where you can select all the commands: motion, the loops, the sound, the events, control, sensing, operational, variable, and my block. Number 2, you want to save it, but you have to use your own email address if you want to save it. But for this course, no worries, you don't have to save it. Number 3, the background. You can change the background of the sprite. Number 4, this is the sprite, the main actor in your program today. You're going to move that actor using some simple codings. And here you have all this list again. So number 5, you're going to add another device. For example, later on you're going to add MBOT2. And number 6 is the M block extension. For example, you want to add the some sensor drivers and so on. 7 is full screen. Number 8 is the stop. Number 9 is the play. Okay? So you have to remember that. Next. The first thing is you want to move the sprite. So this is we call a sprite, the panda. We're going to do the movement of the sprite. But before that, you have to know this. In your screen, can you turn to the, oh, sorry. Okay. Then you can just, okay. When you put this full screen mode, can you turn the full screen mode? Yes. So this coordinate, the coordinate of your screen, the center is 0, 0. x equal to 0 and y equals to 0. But if you go to the left, the x will be minus 240, 0. If you go to the right, 240, 0. Up, 0, 180, 0, minus 180. So you understand that, right? So if we say this, mouse x, if you click the mouse x more than 0, which means this area, if your mouse, you click somewhere here, which is more than 0, then you are going to broadcast at the background, move right. So you do this first, go to background, click the background on top of the background. Yeah, you put this one. Okay, go to background. And just select, here I think it's from control. Sorry, from events, if I'm not mistaken, events first, when stage click. Yes. And then you go with if buttons from control. If, and this one. If, good. And then you put this one from the operation. Correct, because green color is green color. So put the operation here. Right? More than. Make it as more than. So select the mouse X is from the sensing. Go to sensing, mouse X. Mouse X, good. More than 0, and then you put the broadcast move right. Meaning that in this background, you're at the background now. If you click here, more than 0, it will send a broadcast. It will tell the radio, hey, move right. Do this first. Okay, broadcast. So message, you can change the name. New message, this pattern. Type the new one. Okay, not come up. Come up. Double check. Okay, there. You can move forward, move right there. Okay, now, next go to the next page. Yes. You go to the Panda tab. You do all this. Meaning that when I receive move right, when the Panda receives the command move right, the Panda will move 20 steps in the direction of 90. 90 is over here. Go to the right, 90. If minus 90 is there, next costume, if on edge bound, if it hit the edge, you will go bounce like this. And the bounce is left to right. So complete this one first. When I receive move right. This is sensing events. Okay. Got it? Okay, got it? So if you got it, then you can run now. Click the flag to run. Yes, start. What is it? Bluetooth not connected. Why you need to connect the Bluetooth? Because you're using the pen there. Close. Is it M1? Oh, you have to delete M1. Yes, correct. Nothing happened. Okay. Okay. Maybe you can show to the screen here. Are you connected to my UKM? Let's see. If you're connected to UKM, you can show the results here. Well, if we're not connected, let's connect to my UKM first. connected. Okay, good, it's connected. Now, oh, we're going to that. Okay, it's done. So what you have to sometimes you have to charge this one. You have to charge this one down. So what you're going to do is you're going to show your screen by clicking there and put that bilik pertama. So your screen is shown here. Very soon. Very soon. Okay, good. This is, sorry, about time. Now it's yours. Okay? So you go back and open your Sprite and try to do a click. Smooth, right?
Yes. And I
So now your task is you broadcast the move right. Next, you need to broadcast the move left. Do the same thing for them. Okay? Do it now. The way your screen will be shown now. I can see from here. Yes. So that you can click on the right, you can click on the left, so that it will go there. Yes, correct. Are you right? Good. Yes, they want to speak. Yes. Sounds very huge sound. But it's okay. So how about the background? You go to the left. Okay, you go back here and check. Can you go to the background? You don't have here. So you have to put one more there. Okay, how you do is you just duplicate this one. Duplicate, and then you can get here, then just amend it over there. Just amend it over there. Okay? Okay. And how about this one?
change.
Yes, you have to change to. But is it more or less than? On the left side.
Less than.
Less than, right? So not more than. You have to change that as well. This one. This one needs to be changed.
Change the command.
This is the command. Yes, correct. Why you put more than 10? Why not more than 0?
Oh.
Yeah. 0 is better because exactly well, above the line, right? Good. Okay. And how about that one? Yes. Right. Right. Yes. Then try that. Is it moving to the left?
Yes. Right.
Still not moving to the left. Okay, can you get again? Ah, something not inside there.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
Mouse.
Yes.
Why?
Are you sure what's why?
Mouse
Because,
X.
yes.
Yes.
And how about this one? Can I see this is the pendant?
Yes.
Ah, the direction here. Remember the direction just now?
Ah.
Uh-huh. The direction. Yes. Yes. Okay. Can you? Are you okay? Can you see? Okay. Can you show? Okay, well, it's okay. After this, maybe you show, right?
Yes.
Oh, left. Okay, to the right. Yes. It's done. Your first sprite, you move the first sprite. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, I'll go back and take it back to the screen. No worries. So you have moved the sprite. Next is, wait a moment. will take time a bit because to reconnect back to my PC, okay, now this is reconnected. So I'm going to do a background selection. Maybe I can just skip background selection because it's not important. So I want you to do this. This one is how there is a panda and there is two other sprites that move to attack the panda. If the cactus hit the panda, it will reduce their score. If the apple hit the panda, you will increase the score. So please do this for apple and also for cactus. It's a little bit difficult, right? A little bit difficult, right? Remember, right? Okay. What you need to do is, okay, just make it a simple one. Just move the apple. Don't worry about the panda. Just move the apple. Move to this way, like this. First, set the size. Go to random position, but X must be 240. 240 of X is over here, right? Random position anywhere here. So it will start from here, and then it will show. So slowly, it will reduce by -3. Reduce by -3 means that it will move like this. This one no need. Repeat until this one okay, but this one no need. And change by 0. What I want you to do is, using this short coding, the apple is moving like this. And then finish. Then it will move like this. Finish. Okay? This one, no need. The rest, yes, you can do it. Okay? Do it now. So create a new sprite. Get a new sprite. Remove panda and get a new sprite. For example, you want to go to here. You cannot do that because you need to just remove it. We're not going to use it. So get new codings. So this one no need device. Get a new sprite from here. You can just select your sprite. So wait to get sprite. Here. Get the sprite here. Any sprite. The apple. The apple. Get the apple. Yes. And this one, you can just remove it, delete the customs, delete, and delete this one. So only get the apple. Only get the apple, right? And then use this coding to make it move here. So see that this one is to place it somewhere here, and then it will move slowly here. You do it exactly like this. This is part of the games though. You're going to do this afterwards. I'm going to show you how you do that first. I break it down into smaller problems. Make it move first. Then after that, you will hit the panda. Hit the panda. Okay? Good. You're doing good. Right. Nice. Good. So once you're ready, then you can perform your movement. See that it will change by -3. So -3, -3 units, -3 units, -3 units until it arrives to -430, which is over here. So you will move. If you got it, then you can share your screen and show it to me. no background, no, it's okay. Yeah, white background is okay. Okay, you want to share? Please share the screen to me. With this, and go to mirror. So, mirror, yes. And then put the big hammer there. Good. That's it. How is it? It's going up and down on it, not moving there. Then I see yours. Minus 230.
Minus.
This one. The 230 is over here. You have to put it first, not the one. X position.
Oh, this one is the
Okay. This one.
minus.
Minus 240. Yes. Correct. See? Good?
Yeah.
This apple is moving there. Right? This apple moving there. Can you add one more sprite? One more sprite. The cactus to move there as well.
In same direction.
Same direction. So just copy or duplicate that. I'm not sure whether you can duplicate to the next one. So just add one more here. Yeah. The cactus or whatever, banana or birds or whatever. Okay, the ball, yeah. So if you can copy it? Where's the ball? This is costume. So delete that one first. Sorry. Delete that one first. You have to add the sprite. I think it's over here. This one is costume. How can we add that? Sprite. Show. Sprite set. What's this one? Sprite. This one is costume library. You will change the costume. Same. I want you to this sprite. Maybe here. Yeah, sprite. So edit the costume. Save. Then the costume will change, not the sprite. Well, it should be okay. As long as it's already moved, it's okay. Just add one more, then we get it. Okay, how about you? Can you show me? Oh, it's nice. Same, good. Okay, good. So we are done here. Actually, in this assignment, you are going to create a game. So I'm going to give you about 1 or 2 hours to create the game. Right? So you're going to present to me afterwards. Okay? You work with your friends. Good. So now, good. Now, no problem. So we have finished the game. Thank you very much. So everything good. Good job. And next is we are going to go with the robot, the M-bot, which is module. Let me check. So I would like to thank you all of you for presenting your games. It's a very good job. So I'm going to now go to the M-bot robot, which is what we have here. So the same thing, just now you use sprite to move when you do the coding, but now you're going to connect the robot. The robot is going to move instead of the sprite. So it's a physical, not virtual anymore. Okay? So what you're going to do first is, okay, this is a paper inside the box. If you open the box, then you will see this. This is we call arena. This arena is what you are going to do, the X movement. The number 8 movement. Number 8 movement. Oh, you have a bigger one. Oh, this is a bit better one. So maybe after that you can try the different arena, which is this one, which the robot will pass through the lines, will go through the lines. So let's go with this module number 3, and we shall do that together. So by the end of this module, all the participants will build a program for basic movement of robot. So basic movement, meaning that you will go up, go to the front, go to the back, go left, go right, okay? And if there is obstacle, you will go there. If there is obstacle, you will go there. Because we have several sensors here. Number 1 is ultrasonic sensor here. Number 2, we call it the RGB sensor underneath here that detect the lines of these black lines, and also detect the colors. So here, if you see from here, you can see that this is L2, L1, because it's on the left, right? L2, L1, R1, and R2. There is 4 sensors here, the RGB sensor. So we're going to do that. And you are going to do some comprehensive program to compete in a competition arena. So you, both of you will compete who finish first. 10 loops or 10 laps. I'm going to time it. Who finish first will get another 20 cents from it. Okay? Good. So let's start by doing this introduction. So what are these? The ultrasonic sensor, if you know, this is here. What is the use of ultrasonic sensor? You will send a sound wave from one of this part, and the other part will receive that sound wave, the reflected. So if there is an object here, the object, hit the object, you will come back here. If it is far, the time taking will be longer or shorter. If it's far, longer. If it's close, because of that, they will calculate how far is the distance, ultrasonic sensor. And underneath here, as I mentioned just now, we have a L2, L1, R1, R2 underneath. So this is the sensor, the light sensor that detects the colors and also the mainly the colors, the black and the white. So this is what we call a cyberpie. So in this module, we're going to learn about this cyberpie. Inside this cyberpie, we have ESP32 microcontroller, ESP32 inside here. So ESP32, the good thing, it can connect to Bluetooth and also can connect through Wi-Fi. So when you connect to your iPad, it's using Bluetooth. Right? It's using Bluetooth. Okay, so that's cyberpie, the main brain of this robot. So same as when you do the M block, we have more options here. Just now we have only several, but now we have audio, we have LED, display, motion sensing, LAN, AI, IoT, events control. This is like normal, additional one here. Okay, and we have this is normal. So you have to add the device number 5, add cyberpie in your codings. Yeah? So maybe you can start with the new one, get the new one, start a new one, unsafe is okay, then new one, then go to device and click cyberpie. Here. Do you have cyberpie? It's not connected to the internet. You need to download the device, okay? Is it connected to the internet? I think it's not connected to the internet, right? Is it downloaded? Downloaded?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay, good. Yeah, good. Have you? Okay, then once you download it, you switch on this by switch this on top like this. And then put it like this first, because otherwise it will move. Okay, put it upside down first. Okay, then put this nearer to make it connected. Now it's connected already. Is it connected? Okay, so be careful because it has the previous coding uploaded to it. Previous coding. So now you have done that. Finish. Good. Put a number. 3. Okay, good. back to codings. So now you are going to do the coding here. The first ever coding you are going. Oh, before that, you need to add this extension. Click this extension and add these 3 extensions, or sometimes we call it a driver. Add that into your workspace. Okay, I'll just sense it. Done? Done, eh? How about you, Adiba? Are you done? Oh, you need to download first, no problem. Make sure it's connected to the internet. Done? All 3 done. Good. Alright, so next, go to the next one. We're going to the first robot movement ever for you. But do not play on the table. You have to come to the front here and put it down here and switch the button, you will move. Firstly, put the button when button A pressed. This is an event. When button A pressed. So on top of this, you will see button A, which is the square. Button B is the triangle. So when you push the square, you will start. What I'm going to start is going to do this. Move forward, turns, and move forward again. So get from motion tab. Yes, that's correct. Okay, have you done that? Once you have done that, now you're going to upload it. Once you have done that, you're going to upload it to your robot. How are you going to upload it? There is an upload button there. See that? See the upload button? You push that, upload button, and then push it upload. It's uploading now. Now it's uploaded. Take this, put it front, and then you can push the button A and check whether it moves as the command or not. Go on. No need that one first. Just move on the floor. Yes. Does it move? The square one.
Yes.
Okay, so you just put move forward and turn right. And how about move forward again? No?
Yes, 1 second.
Oh yeah, 1 second only. Okay, good. So you pass. Well done. Now put some severals. Move forward, move backward, or move left, and so on, and see if it listens to your command. And find a more bigger space, please. Yeah? How about you, Eva? Can you try?
Add. Do I need to add?
Add what?
Some commands.
Yes, you please start add some more commands.
Add some.
Yeah. But not too far. Maybe 1 second, 2 seconds is good enough. If you make it more than that, then it will hit anything else. It will hit something else. Good. Listen to your command. Okay. And then once done, yeah, upload it. We'll remove that. Okay. Try that. So instead of forward, you click here, it will say backward. So add one more and put it backward. Just duplicate. Yes, correct. Duplicate and then just Follow first, yes. Correct. Otherwise you will not follow. Okay, go ahead. Let's see if you manage to do that or not. Find a bigger space, okay? Make sure it's not hit anything. Okay, it hit something, eh? Okay, find a bigger space. Find a space that not hit anything. How about you, Diba? Can you try? Okay, good. Let's try. Straight. Yes. Okay. Like dancing. Oh, okay. All right. That's how. Good. Well done. Okay, both of you pass this test. Okay. Now let's move to the next one, which is to do the line following. Yeah. To do the line following. So what we're going to do next is a line following sensor. See here, there are several conditions. Number one, if your robot is exactly on top of that you see, the first one is the robot, the both sensor exactly on this line. So this is condition number 0, situation 0, which is L0, R0. 0 means it's, this condition both not on the line. If you see here, the line is here, there is no line here. This is situation 0 where both not on the line is 0. L1 is 0, R1 also 0. As you know, the L1 and R1 in the center sensors here. This situation 1, R1 is 1, but L is 0. Situation 2, R is 0, not connecting to the back, but this one is 1. But the good situation is L and also R is both on the line. So this is the condition. We represent that condition as numbers. This one number 0, number 1, number 2, number 3. Remember that, right? Good. Next. These are the example of the commands. When button A pressed, forever means in codings, you do the looping. The looping without stop. Yeah? Infinite movement. If the quad RGB sensor, I think you have added this extension, L1, R1 is in the status 3, which is this status 3, then move forward. No need to turn anywhere because you are already on the track. You are condition 3, the best 1-1, so go straight. If you are in the condition 2, which is left is detect, but right is outside, you need to turn left, so that the right will be going inside again. Okay, the left is okay, but the right is already outside, so it needs to be like this. Okay, the condition here 0-1, the left is outside, the right is okay, so you have to turn back to the track, which is like this. And this condition where it is both not connected, you have to go backward to look for the line again. So do this coding now, and let's see if you can test on this and also on that. Okay, please do it now. Okay. this is where you're going to use back your computational thinking, pattern recognition. Have I done this before just now? Oh yeah, if then else I've used it. If then I've used it, so I'm going to use it again. So this is computational thinking. And abstraction. What is important here? Go back to the line. Go back to the line is important. If you are already on the line, that solves the problem. So this is abstraction, computational thinking. Good, yes. So we have forever, which is the looping. And inside there is an if. Is there any then? No. Yes, there is a then. Is there any else? No else. If, then. If, then. If, then. If, then. There is no else because there are only 4 conditions. Only 4 conditions fixed. There will be no other conditions other than this one. Right? Good. Have you done that? Can you show us your screen? Can I check? Yes. Hit it now. Yes. Good. Okay, good. Now, let's check Ilmi's coding. When button A pressed, good. There is a forever loop, great. And if then, condition number 1, number 3, 1, 1, move forward, perfect. Condition 2, 1, 0. The left is on, the right is out, so need to go to the left. So this one is out, in, go to the right, correct? And this one, 0, 0, go to the back. I think this is good. So what we're going to do is, we are going to take a very risky action here. We are going to use the table. Hopefully it will not drop down. Okay, then put on the floor if you want. Otherwise you will be risky. If it drops down, be big trouble. Okay? So let's see if it's on there. No, okay, wait a minute. We're going to do some recordings. Okay, wait a minute. I'm going to record this. This is the event where you are going to run an autonomous movement. Okay, tell me when you are ready. You sit down, please. You can sit down together. Yeah. And you may start now. Please hold the paper because it's moving. Yeah. Hold the paper. It's good. It's good. It's going good. Yes. Looks good. Looks good. Yes. Even though it's a stop, but it's still good. Great. Nice. Still good. Yeah. Okay. Can you take it up and switch it off first? Take up, bring up, and switch off the main switch. The main switch on the left, your right hand, on your right hand. There is a switch. Yes, switch it off. Good. Can I use that paper instead? Give her that paper now, the second paper. So we are going to change it to the new arena, a bigger arena, and check if it's moving good or not this time.
Yes.
All right? Let's do it. Turn on first. Turn on first. And put it on floor and square button. Yes. Wait a minute. It will show here. After you come out, then only put the square. Okay, can you push the square now? Yes. Hopefully move, because now it has some colors. It's a bit difficult. Because we have colors. Hopefully it move forward a bit.
But does it not recognize the color?
The color, because it recognizes only black and white.
So it cannot move.
There is some way that you can do that, maybe like increase the speed. You will just jump over and so on. Or just for this time, maybe we can just put it in front of it and then we'll just search. You will search, try to escape from that. Yeah, it's nice. It's good, going good. All right. Block programming is harder than the Python. Python actually better because I think Adiba used the Python a bit, Python coding. So just bring up and put it next one. Okay, bring up, yes. It will turn down, make a turn. Yes, that's correct. That's a good feeling. Okay, take it up and switch it off. I want to see Adiba's, just leave it there. Adiba, you will be the next. Can you show us your robot? Whether it moves a bit faster or not so fast?
That's the same code.
Hopefully. Okay, good. Can you please sit down there in the movie, in the video? Good. Oh, it moved faster. Oh, it moved better. Yeah, what did you do? What difference? Maybe you have practiced it a lot, huh?
I just
Use the same code, okay? Alright. So looks good.
really smooth.
Yeah, very smooth movement. That's nice. Okay, good, take it up. So we are going to do our last but not least sensors, which is ultrasonic sensor. So when there is obstacles, you will try to move away from them. Okay, so I'm going to share my mind. Okay, so we are going to do ultrasonic sensor. So how ultrasonic sensor use? This is ultrasonic sensor. When there is an obstacles here, it will detect an obstacles and then it will turn to the left. And if it's detect the obstacles here, it will go to the right. So it's very difficult to change so many times. For example, one obstacles go to the right, second obstacle go to the left. So in this class, we are going to do only one movement. Obstacles go to the right. Obstacles go to the right. Okay? When you detect obstacles. So this is how you're going to do the coding. When button A press, forever, ultrasonic distance from the object. So you have to decide. Normally, if you put 10 centimeters, maybe something like this, yeah, then it will turn right 45 degrees. Not 45 degrees. It should be 90 degrees here. Just put 90 degrees, so it will just make a full turn, not only the half turn, but a full turn to the right, and then it will move forward. Okay? So next, you are going to put some obstacles like this in front. Move here, see if it turn there, and put some obstacles, turn, and so on. Okay, do it now. Ultrasonic sensor. So don't move your previous coding. Just take it up only, just put like this. Then if you put like this, you will not move this one. Then you can just do the ultrasonic here. Okay? Just take it out the push button. Separate, make it separate. Just separate it. So we are targeting about 10 centimeters. So in actual today's training, you're going to measure whether it's exactly 10 centimeters or what. Yeah? Today, just put 10 centimeters. So when it detects 10 centimeters, it will start to turn right. If it's too close, it will nearly hit, turn right. So it depends on the cases as well. So this one, put 90 degrees, turn right. Yeah? If you have any question, you can always put up your hand and ask me questions. Yeah. If you have any problem with anything, let me know. Okay, good. Okay, maybe you can try it over there. Make a big space. Try the big space. Have you done? You want to try some? Okay. Maybe both of you can try at the same time. Both of you. Maybe both of you can try at the same time and see if it works or not. If it works, then it's good. How about you, Adiba?
I'll wait for...
Okay, good. You want to do it together. So bring your box here like this. You need to bring your box. And then you're going to do this together. Alright? Are you both ready?
Yes.
Okay, come forward. Try it over there. Yes. Without that, yes. Bring your box as well, Adiba. Put it down. Okay. Maybe you can do this like when it turns to the right, and there is another box here. It will make that go to the right again, right? So you will be at the back. Adiba will be at the back. So one by one, yeah? Okay? Okay? Yanni, you can go first. Very successful, yes, right. Okay, take it out. Take out your robot. Take out. Okay, the second one, go. Oops, you're going to the left this time. You're going to the left. No worries. Okay, put in front of that. Put some obstacle in front of it. Put obstacle now. Oh no. Okay, good. All right, good. Let's go to the left instead, eh? You go to the left instead, okay. Left. No problem at all. Okay, put right here and see if it's okay or not. Always go to the left. Just go to the left. Okay, good, like that. Nice. So successfully done. Good. All right. Okay. You may take your seat. Great. Okay. Now, actually, we have finished to do this. What we are going to do now, we are going to do some closing. Yeah, closing. But before we do some closing, I need to have some so-called input from you about today's training, some reflections, or you have any questions, you can ask me questions, yeah, anything now. So please start from Ilmi. how do you feel, and do you have any question first? How do you feel about today's training?
Today's training, firstly, it's very good. I have a lot of input. I get a lot of new inputs and knowledge so far. Rather than before, I have never engaged into this MBOT or whatsoever, like kind of about what would this called?
MBOT 2.
MBOT
Yeah,
2.
MBOT
So, I mean, before this, I have tried to like learn by myself, but it's quite difficult. But actually, with the right guidance and with the the right amount of knowledge at the time, you actually can do it. Anyone can actually do this. So it's very fun. It's very fun. And
anything that you don't understand from the computational thinking, M block programming until MBOT programming?
Actually, it's quite clear. I don't want to say I don't understand. There's nothing I don't understand, because I believe that there's a lot more going ahead that I will learn, and I will not know something. So far, up to this day, I understand everything. It's very clear and direct. Of what do you call it? Instructions. So yes,
You don't have any further question?
No. for today's
Okay, let's wrap up. What is the sensor used to avoid the obstacles?
Sensor used to avoid the obstacles. The ultrasound sensor.
Ultrasonic. Very good,
sensor.
very good. Well done. Good job. Okay.
Yes. Actually, before this, I just want to share something. Actually, I've done something using ultrasonic sensor, which is it is a project from my course. We are trying to make a basketball game, but just like the it's like in the virtual basketball game, but then we make it into like a real one. So, but using ultrasonic, which it will detect which hole we make several holes, and which hole will detect as higher scoring or lower scoring. Yeah, it's something like that. So it's kind of interesting, and that it can be used for many more.
Okay, let's say from 1 to 10, how do you rate the training today?
9.5.
9.5. Thank you very much. Okay. All right, good. Now let's go to our second participant, second trainee, Adiba. So, what is your reflection for today's training?
Okay.
Do you enjoy it?
Yeah, I really enjoy this training.
Is it clear? All the instruction clear? All the concepts you understand? The ideas?
Clear. And yeah, very interesting, and I'm so excited, and fun training. Yeah, not stressed at all.
Anything that you don't understand that you want to ask the trainer?
So far, no, not yet. Maybe nothing.
So, what is the sensor used to detect the line and also some colors and so on? RGB. Quad RGB sensor, we call it. Quad, because it has 4. It's a quad RGB sensor. Yeah. So I think you have done Python programming before, and today you done the block programming. Which one do you think easier?
Easier? Oh, it depends. I think this one, the block program is more straightforward and direct. But Python also, the output is different. Yeah.
Actually, the purpose of this block programming to raise the interest among school children on programming, so that they don't afraid of lines. For example, like syntax error and so on. They just drag and drop, and then they can run something.
Yeah.
So actually, the main purpose is to do that, so that they feel, hey, I can run the robot, I can fly the drones, I can do the IoT, the microcontroller and so on. Yeah. So this is the purpose for this one. We call it to make programming easier, not difficult.
Very good approach.
Good approach, right? Otherwise, until forever they will say, oh, programming, no, not for me, not for me. But it's actually for everyone. Programming is for everyone, and everybody can do programming. It's not that difficult. The only thing you have to understand the concept of computational thinking. How to make your coding very abstract, which is focusing on the main thing, and then short and simple, and use your past experience using the pattern recognition, decompose things, make it into small, and solve each of them accordingly. So this is the concept of computational thinking that we embed into programming. Because computational thinking is not a new concept, it's already being used by computer scientists. This concept has been presented by Janet Wing, used to be working with Microsoft, and she also a professor at Carnegie Mellon University in the US. So use this concept of computational thinking to teach people to start to do programming. And actually, for computational thinking, not only that 4 concepts, it has, I think, more than hundreds of concepts. But the 4 is the main one. The rest is the accessories, which is good to know, for example, like data representation, evaluation, and so on. There are many more, many. If you go through the books, then you can understand more. So it's good for you to read. I have a book written on this, Computational Thinking in Project-Oriented Problem-Based Learning for Engineering Design. I've written a book. Maybe one day you can buy the book. It costs only 30 ringgit from the Penerbit UKM, and then you can read all these concepts inside. Yeah. So this is not new. I've done this for some time. This since I think 2016, if I'm not mistaken. I started this computational thinking course, and also I'm the one who applied to programming. Actually, some people they just use. Okay. So you have done computational thinking, as I mentioned just now. Computational thinking is not only the 4 concepts, it actually has hundreds of concepts, but in this course, we only focus on the 4 essentials one. We have data representation, evaluation, and many more. I even written a book on this. It's titled Computational Thinking in Project-Oriented Problem-Based Learning for Engineering Design. Maybe you can read that one day. So you have give me some feedbacks on the robots, and how about the computational thinking itself, whether you have understood it when you do the practice. So maybe you can elaborate a bit on the computational thinking in this closing session. What do you think computational thinking help you to do the programming today?
I think in terms of doing the programming, it really helps in making clear instructions.
Good.
And make us have a clear of steps of what to do into getting the blocks, into what kind of instruction do we implement next.
Okay.
After
okay. We call it algorithms.
Algorithms, yes. So it helps declutter things that that is not necessary.
So is it useful?
Yes. Very useful.
Okay,
it's
good.
Very useful.
That's why we started with computational thinking first
Yes.
in all my trainings, because I want them to understand the concepts before they do things. Yeah? And how about you? Computational thinking. I think first time for you to learn about computational thinking, right? You have started robot before. So what do you think about computational thinking?
Computational thinking, it's like a warm up lah for my brain. Okay. Yeah. So before starting, I don't think my mind is fresh enough to to start learn. So
Okay.
yeah, that's why this is really good and yeah,
Helpful concept.
helpful. Yeah.
Very practical.
Helpful.
Can use immediately.
Yes, correct.
Not only understand the concept, but practice the
Apply, yeah.
concept. Apply the concept.
Mm.
If let's say today we don't do computational thinking, do you think you can do this programming as fast as now? What do you think?
Yeah, we can do the programming, but I don't think as fast as we can
Okay.
because it may take some more time because it's like what do we do first? It's like
Yeah.
we don't know the first step, the main step.
yeah.
What main thing to do, what
Right.
we want to achieve the goal. So
Okay.
it's very helpful.
Good. How about you? If you don't have computational thinking at the very beginning, Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite complicated lah. I think because we need to understand the concept. So
good. Good. So that's why, as a lecturer, I would always say that we start with theory in our engineering courses. We start with theory. We teach you, we give lectures and so on. Theory means you have to understand the concepts. So when you do the practical, you go to the lab, when you do your master's degree, you go your PhD, you are practicing the concept. So in university, concepts is more important than the practical. When you understand the concept, you will do things faster, and you can apply to many more application, many more contexts. Not only in robotics, you can apply computational thinking into your daily problems as well, like the tire, the flat tire, the messy room, all those things. So that's why learning concepts, learning theory, essential, and you can become a little bit of academics, where you have a lot of philosophy, you have a lot of ideas. You can try to, okay, these ideas may be applied to this idea may be applied to that, and so on, right? So this is how we use theory. Every training must start with theory, the framework, concept, then we proceed with the practical. So make things easier, okay? All right, so thank you very much for joining me. So it's about time now. We have completed 4 hours in this course. Thank you very much. So hope to see you all again in our next training. Thank you very much.